the police is here and he's yelling and is really angry.
That audio and that video didn't turn out well, so I'll explain it to you now here. Peace and quiet instead. So, every time I have done this to calm people down, it has worked. How many times have I done it? 6 or 7, I think. And I haven't shared this a whole lot, so I would encourage you to try it yourself. No guarantees from me. And I'm going to share with you now exactly how to test it for yourself. So what happened in that video was I was in the city of London, in the financial district in the morning. I heard some yelling and I saw a person, not a homeless person. He looked quite decent. He was surrounded by 4 or 5 police officers. They were holding him and he was yelling. He was mad and they were holding him tight and he was yelling and yelling and yelling. And here's what I did. It is a version of the speak up method, but it is different because this is what I do when it feels a little strange to speak out loud because there were people around me. So it was in the morning, in the rush hour in the morning. So I just stopped on the street, well, stood by a sign or something, and I closed my eyes. If you have sunglasses with you, I use those because it's a little, I feel a little conscious with standing still in the rush hour city of London with my eyes closed. People are wondering, what's this guy doing, right? So if you have sunglasses, do that. But I stopped and I just took a few deep breaths and I didn't speak out loud, which we do in the speak up method, right? But I did everything in my mind. And I started with what I've created. This is kind of a secret password or secret keyword. I've said to Spirit, if I think the word or say the word adsum, I think it's Latin or Greek, Latin for I am here, I am present. If I think that word, I mean business. What's coming after adsum is something I really want, and it's my clear intention, okay? So just to make sure that your thoughts are standing out from the rest of them. So I thought adsum, and then I saw that person in my mind's eye surrounding by those police officers, and I thought in my mind, in the best interest of all. That's what I said in my mind, and I visualized some kind of white light or something. I see something like scanning him going down like that. And this is not the only way to do it. This is just my way. You can come up with your own, right? So adsum, so I'm present, I'm here, and my intention was in the best interest of all, and I saw this guy surrounded. I saw in my mind's eye, and I kind of scanned with that light. And he was yelling and yelling and yelling, and it took, after I did that, maybe 3 or 4 seconds, he stopped yelling and started talking. He went from to, and he started explaining himself in a more calm voice. A few seconds after I did it. And then interesting. And then I started walking, and I was going to record that video that didn't turn out so well. And then he started yelling again. And you might think, oh, Terry's making up excuses. But the thing is, because he didn't ask for me to send him that love and send him that intention. But it took it in, but it didn't fix anything because he has his free will. He can do whatever he wants. And if he feels like yelling again, he will, right? So it's not a fix forever, but it seems like it's working. And I've done it 5 or 6 times on people who are angry, really, really angry. And it's been working every single time. It has never not been working. So the key to this is just your intention of sending love, and I leave it open in the best interest of all. What is in the best interest of all? Is it for him to keep yelling, or is it for him to calm down? So don't believe me, believe yourself. Use this to calm people down if they're, out of it somehow. And if you want to learn more about all of this, you can check the link down below to the Speak Up method. But this is a silent version. And that keyword, that password, mine is adsum. You can make up your own word, use mine if you want to. It is nice to have though, because often if you're out and about around people, maybe around family or friends, and you really want to intend for something, then speaking out loud is a little weird, isn't it? So that word works to make it really clear that this is something you want. What do you think about this? You think it could be something to it? I would love your input in the comment section. Because the theory, of course, is that there's only one in the universe. And we are part of that one. We are source, part source. And so is that person who is yelling, so are those police officers, so is the bird outside your window, so is the wind, so is everything. Even this coffee is part one. And when we are a part of this, we are connected in this web of consciousness, or the quantum field, or whatever you want to call it, right? And we can, because we are it, we can influence it with our intention. That's the idea behind this. I find it extremely fascinating, and I don't understand why not everybody is talking about this. What? You're not interested in this? Are you crazy? Yeah, thanks. See you.